My sensitivities are my superpower, and I honor them as so. I am my own authority. My inner knowing directs me to the best outcomes for me. I allow myself time to sit in peace. I focus on healing myself first, so I may be of service to others. My well-being is important. How I feel matters. What I think matters. I am not my thoughts. I am a powerful healer who honors my own needs. My healing power comes from my ability to love myself fully. I forgive myself for any past wrongdoings. I allow myself to experience genuine love and mutually loving relationships. I am more than what I can offer to others. I'm a beautiful expression of the divine. I celebrate who I am. I set loving boundaries with others and with myself. Boundaries are how I express love to myself and others. I relieve myself of any guilt and let myself feel appreciation for my own well-being. I allow myself time to be with just me. I detach from overthinking and move into the messages of my heart. My heart speaks to me throughout the day. I recognize the voice of my heart and higher wisdom. I am my own unique being. I am a strong, empowered empath. I detach from the outcomes with faith that everything is working out in my highest and best. I can still be loved even when I tell others no. I provide myself time every day to pause and listen to how I'm feeling. I listen to my own needs. I am a powerful healer with beautiful gifts to offer. I surround myself with supportive, loving people who honor my sensitivities. There is nothing wrong with me. Everything is right with me. I release the labels that have been given to me, and I explore who I came here to be. I am more than I have ever been told I am. Loving myself becomes easier and easier every single day. I define who I am with great care and consideration. I give myself permission to see my own magnificence. I enjoy who I am. I give myself permission to enjoy the small things in life. I honor my need for quiet time. I trust myself. I allow myself to freely express who I am. I think my own thoughts, and I'm grateful as I hear the voice of my inner wisdom speaking to me and through me. I allow others to be themselves and to learn their own lessons. It is safe for me to be me. Loving myself means I get to show others how to love themselves. Loving myself means I get to model to others what it means to love yourself. I consider what I'm taking in through music and entertainment and align it with the sensitivities of my spirit. It is safe for me to walk away when I'm sensing to do so. I ground my energy and set my intentions for what I wish to experience in the day. I give myself permission to live in my truth. I willingly forgive the past and my past experiences and allow myself to be free. I give others the gift of healing by letting go and allowing them their own journey. I am open and receptive to experiencing mutually loving and supportive relationships. I am here with a unique purpose and I'm ready to find it.